Now I discuss about mini teaching for first year B.Ed students. Meaning, mini teaching is an actual classroom teaching. Mini teaching is smaller than usual classroom teaching. Characteristics of mini teaching: it combines teaching skills and steps. Time duration is between 15 to 20 minutes. It contains more individual mastery skills. It is a practice session for students. For mini teaching, a teacher should identify various skills for teaching, then train themselves. Next, integrate two or more skills. Last, utilize those skills in appropriate method. Integrating 8 teaching skills and 5 teaching steps while teaching is mini teaching. 8 teaching skills. First one is skill of introduction, topic introduction to attain students' involvement. Second one is skill of explaining, elaborating the topic with facts and concepts for students' better understanding. Third one is skill of questioning, ask precise, clear and specific questions related to the subject to make sure the students' level of understanding. Fourth one is skill of varying the stimulus to get students' attention fully. The teacher have to use variations in teaching. For example, various teachers' position, variation in voice, use of multimedia. Also, teachers' behavior can sustain the students' attention. Fifth one is non-verbal cues. Using non-verbal cues like various facial expressions, body movements, hand gestures, eye contact may help the students to be in the class more actively. Sixth one is skill of reinforcement, encouraging students to participate actively in classroom interactions. Seventh one is skill of closure. This is helpful to close the teaching properly. The teacher summarize the lessons. This is to be done by statement or by asking questions. Eighth one is skill of fluency in communication. The teacher should teach the lesson with full confidence and deliver the lesson accurately with good communication. 5 teaching steps. First one is motivation, warm up activity for students to engage in new lesson. Second one is presentation. It refers to delivery of content. It should have beginning, middle and end. Presentation can be in verbal and non-verbal form using blackboard and visual aids. Third one is interaction, communication between students and teachers during teaching. It will reduce the teachers' talking time and increase the students' talking time. Fourth one is reflection. Teacher make the students to ask themselves about what they have learned during the classroom activity. This can be done in discussion and questioning method. Fifth one is summing up, ending a lesson with a summary. Mini lesson format: name, subject, lesson, topic, date, time, objectives, materials, content outline, teaching skills, instructional procedures and activities, evaluation and assessment. Objectives. In objectives, mention what do you want your students to learn. Example, develops interest in using the physical measurement in day-to-day life. Materials. Materials and resources that can be going to use during teaching. Example, vernier calipers. Content outline. Provide the main teaching points of the lesson. Example, fundamental quantities, SI units, procedure to find out the length of the cylinder. Assessment forms. Integrating steps in mini teaching. Assessment is carried out by the peer student teachers. It is to evaluate how the student teacher used the 5 teaching steps. Based on their performance, the peer student teachers will give score ranging from 1 to 3 for each teaching step. The total score may be range from 5 to 15. Integrating skills in mini teaching, same as teaching steps, teaching skills also will be evaluated. The peer students teachers will give score to the student teachers teaching skills. It also ranges from 1 to 3, average good, very good. The total scores may range from 8 to 24. Record rating only for pedagogy of school subject. Practice minimum 5 lessons. Thank you.